Hi guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now you having trouble with your head turns when doing slow speed maneuvers?
Yes, I do.
Then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to cover 3 common head turn mistakes I see. So hang tight. The first mistake is that riders tend to look down when they're making their head turns. Now when you look down, it restricts your head turn because your chin is blocked by your shoulder. This is even more of a problem if you wear a full-faced helmet. You want to keep your chin up and your eyes level with the horizon, which will allow you to get a better head turn. Now the second mistake is slow head turns. Now your handlebars will follow your head and your eyes. So a slow head turn equals a slow handlebar turn. This makes for a wider turn because as you're slowly turning your handlebars, the motorcycle is moving, taking up space. And in this next video, I want you to notice how wide my turn is due to my slow head turn. So you want your head turn to be quick, smooth, and precise. Because the quicker you turn your head, the quicker the handlebars will turn, which makes for a tighter turn. Now, this is how it should look. In this next video, I want you to notice how much tighter my turn is due to my quicker head turn. The third mistake is that riders don't look far enough into the future. Now, when riding a motorcycle, you need to be one step ahead, meaning you need to look where you're going, not where you are. Now I'm going to demonstrate this by riding through a couple of exercises that I put together. Now I'm going to be riding through a straight line cone weave and then into a short offset cone weave, and then I'm going to finish with a 360 inside an 18-foot U-turn box. As you're watching, I want you to notice how quick and precise I turn my head and how I'm looking and riding into the future. So let's check it out. If you can get your head turns better, it will vastly improve your slow speed maneuvers as well as your overall riding. Now I recommend you watching this video where I explain a full head turn. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.